Alright, so we are currently in Amarillo, getting ready to travel to Albuquerque. And Cindy and Makayla are actually flying into Albuquerque, and we'll get to stay at the Route 66 hotel before we even get there. So they'll be staying one night, and then we'll be on our way over there. So let's go ahead and get this video started. What's up everyone, welcome back to One Strange Adventure. Welcome to the next video. And in today's video we are in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and we are going to go visit Old Town and Santa Fe. But in today's video we're also going to show you where we're staying, which is the Route 66 RV resort at the Route 66 casino. So we're going to get this video started by going to Old Town and then Santa Fe, and then we'll show you all about the place where we're staying. Let's get going. Okay, we're out west. It's dry.
It's so dry. Alright, so this is the Intelligent Humidifier, and it is a humidifier-dehumidifier combination.
Okay.
What's cool about that is you can fill it up with water, and it will dispense water into the air when you need it, or it will suck it out of the air when you don't need it.
Right now we need it.
I'm so dry. We are going to set it up right here on the counter for a little bit to get some humidity in this part of the coach, and then tonight for bed I'm going to put it in our bedroom. It's supposed to do like 350 square feet, so it should be more than enough to do our rig.
Yeah, well, at least for this area.
You want to see what it looks like?
Mm-hmm.
It's so little compared to our big dehumidifier that we haven't used in a couple of months. Ta-da!
That's pretty cool.
And then it comes with a little hose. Let's see what it looks like. It also has stickers all on it too. So this little piece right here, I watched the video on it online, is the water reservoir.
So it'll store water there when it's pulling it out of the air, or it'll pull from there.
Right. Yep. So this, you only want to fill it up about halfway if you're not sure what your humidity level is. They said that way it won't overflow. But if you know that you have a lot of humidity in the air, you can actually bypass this little piece and put this on and make it go into a bucket or a sink or out the window. So like if we wanted to set it next to my desk.
Or you could just sit it right here on the counter.
Yep, and have
the hose going into the sink.
Yep, and so you can bypass this part of it. If you know that you need to get humidity out of the air, but cool. We need it to go in the air, so yes. We're going to put water in this, and then of course I have to read the instructions before I do anything, but it's a touch screen, and you're supposed to be able, here's a little sticker of what it looks like, and you set your humidity level, and then it will toggle through. Remove the power adapter from inside the water tank before use.
One of the most satisfying things of any electronic.
I didn't fill it up all the way. And then we're going to hit the power button. I don't know if you can see that.
Mm-hmm.
You see it?
Mm-hmm.
So it's got a little ambient lighting. And I think you can change the color of lighting right here. So we have it on auto. It's only 28% humidity right now.
Yeah.
We need more than that.
50.
50. We have it on auto, so that means it will add or subtract water based on what we have it on. But you can hit this button right here and it will change it to just humidify or just dehumidify if you don't want it to do it on its own.
Cool.
And then the timer is so that you can like set it to 6 hours and then go to sleep with it and not worry about it overfilling or running dry.
Now, while you're in Old Town Albuquerque, you need to make sure that you're checking out the little town square. All of the beautiful shops, they have a lot of stuff that are just handcrafted. It's super pretty. While we were in Old Town Albuquerque, we actually was checking out all of the historic sites as well. The church has been there for so long. It's so beautiful. And then directly behind that, it's Church Street. We had lunch at the Church Street Cafe. It was amazing. It was actually a residence house that had been there for generations and then converted into a restaurant. So it was just really, really pretty to check out.
All right, are you ready to go?
Yes.
Where are we going?
Santa Fe.
Santa Fe. Well, we're gonna try.
The capital of New Mexico.
Santa Ana.
All right, so we are going, me and Makayla are riding with Dale and Angela to go find Santa Fe.
Mm-hmm.
It's supposed to be like a turquoise trail that we're going to go on. So
This should be fun.
This should be fun.
I wish I could go.
He's staying behind to put in our batteries.
Yeah, gotta finish. Got obligations.
And then Nick is staying behind to do schoolwork and
Take care of the dogs.
take care of the dogs and all the things because he didn't wake up in time.
Yep. All right.
So we're leaving.
I love you.
I love you.
Have fun.
Let's come along, peoples, come along.
We are going up the Turquoise Trail from Albuquerque towards Santa Fe. I don't know how far we'll make it today, but it's along the east side of the mountain, so should be lots of shops and sights and scenery.
So what you're saying is we're going to stop like every 10 miles?
Probably, exactly. So we'll see.
Perfect.
Yeah.
All right, well let's go have fun. So we have to go inside and see?
Kind of getting nice out there, eh?
Yeah, it's not bad. Mix of the two. Not bad.
The little chocolate shop. It says it's open. Doesn't look like there's lights on though.
This is cacao nibs, which is unprocessed chocolate. Sorry, Herbie. I've got kitchen sink, which is the very colorful one in the front. It's all of our toppings randomly thrown together. I have an orange that tastes like a dreamsicle. And then I've got toffee and sea salt.
The base of a wave.
And every single one of these tree bushes, whatever they are, different. That's cool.
That's so cool. Yeah, something. That's awesome.
That's what we saw.
That's so cool. Origami Pegasus.
Sugar and milk.
Sugar and milk. Is it yummy?
We are at Route 66 Casino, just west of Albuquerque, New Mexico.
It is a casino, a hotel, an RV park, a truck stop.
Yep.
It has it all.
We told you guys we were going to show you what the RV park was like, and we figured we'd show you what the hotel and the casino has to offer too, since that's part of the accommodations when you're here.
Yeah, so actually me and Makayla stayed here our first night because they hadn't flown in yet, so we got to enjoy the hotel side of it. The casino has 3 different restaurants as well as a snack bar and a pub, so it's got plenty to offer as far as food goes.
Good food too.
It's really good food and not terrible prices either.
Yeah.
So we enjoyed it.
Yeah. All right, let's go check out inside. Pretty cool. Pool and a hot tub. Thunder Road.
They have 100 full-service campsites with picnic tables and fire rings. Of those, 20 are luxury pull-through sites with 16-foot wide pads with 100 amp hookups. 23 back-end sites with 16-foot wide pads, 30 or 50 amp hookups. 37 pull-through sites with 12-foot wide pads, 30 and 50 amp hookups. And then 20 back-end sites with a 12-foot wide pad, 30, 50 amp hookups. They have a large gathering space for groups, free Wi-Fi, electric car charging station, RV specific convenience store, golf cart access road, propane fuel, handicap accessible, and then the shuttle service to the casino, travel center, and the pit stop. So you just call the number and they'll come get you. You tell them what site you're in or where you're at, and they'll come get you and bring you back to your site or take you someplace else. There's games, billiard table, and card table, showers, coin-operated laundry, and exercise room. And then they have the Rally Barn has 16 picnic tables, 4 gas grills, and 2 sinks. That's for an event. Pickleball court, sand volleyball court, horseshoe pit, resort-style pool, and cabana, and 2 dog parks. And then with these little cards, you also get access to the stuff in the casino. So they have a indoor pool and jacuzzi in there and a fitness room, but their fitness room was closed when we were here. As well as bingo and all of the other things. But these cards get you into any of the locked doors in the casino.
Very cool.
I have to say, it's been really windy.
Yes, it has.
So this is the rec center with the games, but if you go to this door right here, there is a boys' bathroom and a girls' bathroom, a workout room, and a laundry facility. And the showers for these bathrooms are pretty amazing because we're really happy.
All right, well, I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and I hope you enjoyed just a little bit of what Albuquerque and Santa Fe and the Route 66 Casino and RV Resort has to offer. Next week, we're going to be heading into Arizona. We'll be standing on a corner. All right, well, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you really like it, make sure you subscribe. Until the next strange adventure, keep making your own.